Hi, welcome back. It's Lionel, tech lead and partner at Westport. And as you can see here, I'm not in my office, I'm not at home, I have gone remote. Okay, guys, I am in Johor Bahru, which is actually next to Singapore. About, if you're lucky, an hour across the causeway, or even if you're very lucky, it'll be 20 minutes if there are no jams. And I'm actually working remote and taking a short little vacation. Now, I thought it would be interesting because I've been a little bit busy in Singapore and I haven't been able to record that many videos. So I thought while I'm over here, I would actually shoot a little series, and I came out with a very good idea called going remote. And that is one of the major reasons, one of the benefits actually of being a software developer is that you will have more flexibility to actually go remote, especially if you're doing PHP development or JavaScript, or working in a small little team. But I've seen a lot of travel channels, right? And I don't want to give you guys the impression that we are, it's some sort of long-standing vacation. I want to give you guys an idea of, when you're going remote, how you can actually do some work, get some relaxation done, and actually achieve some goals while you're not in your office area. And personally, I think it's a really good idea to actually go remote, Okay, guys, I thought you'd like to have a little bit of a quick room tour here. So that's a little bit messy bit. So I shot this video in the morning. Lovely screen and desks down there for, I think remote working is going to go really well. Mind you, this trip I didn't bring my laptop. So I'm just going to be working on videos, more coordination. But I could easily set up a workstation over there. And I guess the most important thing is the view and the external part. And just look at that wonderful morning view. This is Johor Bahru, right? And there's actually not there's no cars. It's Saturday morning. It's literally empty. The whole thing is empty. It's fantastic. I mean, I didn't want to pay for the extra money for the view, but actually on the left hand side here there is a harbor over there, right at the back, over there. So, I mean, if you got the yep, and here just giving you a little quick tour of it. Really nice. It's a service apartment. Comes with a washing machine. I always love that. Get your clothes clean. You got coffee and tea over here, and just jumping in here. That's a toilet. Look, guys, I read a book one time called Stephen Covey, that the 7 habits of highly effective people, and one of the main things that they do is something called sharpen the saw, which is essentially just take time off from doing what you're regularly doing to recharge and repair stuff, and basically take care of your health. So health is pretty important to all of us, right? Especially in the last 2 years. And going remote is one of the best ways you can just change your environment, change the way you're thinking, and just relax a little bit. And I'm in a very special position because my home base is Singapore and we are in the Southeast Asia. Everywhere around here, right? It's a very small place, and everywhere around here is probably some of the best remote vacationing spots in the entire world. It's very affordable. It has very unique cultures. I've seen some in North America. You drive, 10 hours and you're still in the US. Everything's still the same. Here, less than 25 minutes. I'm from Singapore dollar. I'm in ringgit, you know. Everything's different. Here they speak Bahasa Melayu. Everything's just uniquely different. So I think that's very interesting. I thought I'll give you guys that insight, and also I can shoot a couple of videos while we're at it. Now, just giving you a little insight here. I am over at Putri Harbor, but I love it that I've gone from, you guys probably know what Singapore is, very urban city, very busy, and in less than half an hour I'm staying in a pretty awesome place. So I thought I'd give you guys insight, give you reasons why you want to remote, how you want to remote as well. And then while we're here, we'll also do some more videos, a couple more things that I wanted to do to give you guys insight about what's happening in software development and PHP. So I think it's kind of interesting. This will probably kick off another series called Going Remote. Especially to you guys who are software developers, you want to be a bit more remote. And I can't emphasize this important enough, right? There's a lot of burnout in our business. A lot of people are technically tired. Why not jump on a bus? It'll save you money, especially if you live in Southeast Asia. Jump on a bus or jump on a car and go remote here. Work out of an apartment, a co-working space. There's lots of interesting things. We may even go to Bali. We might go to Phuket. We might go to Chiang Mai. All these kind of places that and then, and not only that, but also stretch out the amount of time you spend there. So one thing I noticed with some of my friends, they go on holiday and maybe they leave on Friday night, they come back on Sunday night. They're trying to maximize every single minute. When you go remote, you can stretch it out to 2 weeks. You can get work done in between. You can actually enjoy some of the facilities. This is some of the benefits as a software developer, and I think this is something that we should cover up. And while I'm here, since I'm in Southeast Asia, I'll give you that insight. If you're not in Southeast Asia, there are other ways that you can do that. I heard Europe's kind of interesting. There's a lot of options, but what's important is you sharpen the saw, get fresh, change your thing, and it actually let the profession and let the benefits of software development allow you to do this kind of stuff. So I don't know of another profession where remote is so well established. We have all the tools for it, all that kind of stuff. I'll go more in detail on a video on that. But in the meantime, coming to you live from Johor Bahru, it's the tech lead, and that's the bottom line because the tech lead said so.